Hi guys, it's me. Today we are just playing some Roblox and I have a new friend. His name is Sam something. Sammy, new Sammy, oh, 0, 11, 12, yeah. I mean, 0, 11, 2. And he just left. So now I'm gonna tell him that I'm recording. I'm Rick. I'm Rick. Enter. I'm Rick. Hi YouTube. BTW, Happy New Year's Eve. This is Ford. Weird. He talks really weird. I don't know. Sometimes I don't even know what he's talking about. Happy New Year's. Okay. Happy New Year's, everybody. That's what new Sammy 012 says. Cool, right? I need 10,000 for a owner's door upstairs. You know, there's this video that I saw, and they also said, hi YouTube. It was so cool. I'm going to party soon. Soon, yay, I'm going to party. I don't like the music, so put the music off. Okay, let's keep walking. Dead Mac is sleeping. Weird. Get out. Nope. Hey, that's so rude. That's so rude. That's so rude. That's so rude. Enter. That's so rude. Here, do I have 10,000? Yes, I need an owner's door so nobody gets in. Hello. No. Now he's gonna think that I was saying to the get on my bike part. That was so rude. Nope, it was not that. Let's see, did he respond? Here, I'm just leaving my drawers open, so anytime new Sammy wants to come in, he can come in. What's that money sound? I don't like it. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's just too much. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, get your bike and follow me. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. Enter. Okay. Okay, here we go. Wait, no. Wait, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. I have never it's so hard to write these. Uh, 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 where are we going? I mean to go this. Oh gosh, he's turning the other way. I don't know where he's going. Where is he? There he is. Okay. Oh god, this. Oh my god. Oh no, no, no. Oh gosh. Okay, so. Oh no. No, I'm going to the track. I mean, yes, I'm going to the track. Okay. I'm stuck. Okay. K. So I'm gonna put K. Enter. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No. No. Do you have a Segway? What's that? No. Enter. Okay, whatever that is, I don't even know what that is, so I just said no. Because since I don't know what it is, then I don't have it, I guess. Because then I would know what it is. Okay. No. 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 Oh God, this is so scary. I'm winning. I won. Nope, I did not win. Oh no, he's coming. I won. I won. I won. Won. Enter. I won. I'm going back. Going back. I'm going back. Going. Where's the G? Going back. I'm going back. Reset. Chapter. Reset. Oh, hey, why did you kill me? Yes, I finally spawned at my place. I never spawn at my place. Never, ever. Never. Okay. Yes, you spawned. Good. You know, where is Sammy? Wait, what? Okay. Enter. Going back. Hey. Oh, what? Who is he? Who is that guy? Get out. Oh, I have a trick for him. A very good trick, so he doesn't get out. He's so gonna die for this. No. Here. Lock all doors so he doesn't get out. I can't really lock them, but I'm not gonna let him get out. At least. Now, where is he now? Looking for you, guy. Cancel. That just broke into my house. I hope. Okay. Okay. Enter. Okay. Whoop. Where's his place anyway? Oh my God! I think he is the Ford. So he's the blue one. The blue one over. I'm recording. I can't stop the video. Only 4 minutes have passed. I can't pause the video while I'm recording, really. Sorry, Dad. How did I get through that door?
No más.
What?
Te lo voy a pausar.
How? You can't.
Bueno, lo vuelves a hacer, hijo.
What?
tenemos que irnos.
Oh, we have to leave. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like and see you guys next time. Goodbye. Don't stop the video right now. Oh, hi guys, we're back. So yeah, we started the video all over again. So forget about the part I said. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like and see you guys next time. Oh my god, he has a car. Cool. How do I ride? How do I ride? How do I ride? How do I ride? I can't ride. I can't ride. I can't ride. Actually, I'm gonna spawn it here. Hey, I got here first. What happened? Okay, good. Speed? What? Okay, let's get. That's weird. What is going on? What? I'm a flying head. Cool. This is so glitchy. I don't like this. Here. Going back. Reset. Change. Reset. Die. I died. Can he? My face. No, I respawned here, not where I was supposed to respawn. I think that's my house. I don't know. I'm red. I forgot. Why do I keep forgetting all the time? Where is he? What? Why is he just jumping around and nodding? I'm the one that's jumping around, really. Hey, wait. Okay, whatever. Knock, knock. I want to try to get. What? What? That is so advanced. Happy Game Turtle has a really cool house. Okay. Turtle, send friend request. Game Turtle. Get out. Denmark. I have. Nice. What? Nice bee? Okay, so guys, I'm gonna have to stop the video right now. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like and see you guys next time. Goodbye.